welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a really easy to make cake, but one that tastes amazing. This is a blueberry cake with whipped cream. Let's get started.
I start out with a blueberry cake cut into 2 layers. Recipe to follow, but it's similar to my blueberry muffin recipe. I fill the cake with a thin layer of stabilized whipped cream. Don't go too thick on the filling or your cake won't be stable. Then I frosted the cake with a thick layer of whipped cream. Now, I don't often frost cakes with whipped cream. The reason is because whipped cream is much softer than buttercream and doesn't set up like buttercream either. Basically, use almost no pressure when smoothing it on, and add more if you can see through it. Next, I added a row of fresh blueberries along the bottom of the cake. This was a particularly warm day, so the whipped cream got just a bit watery along the bottom edge. That happens. It won't be as bad if you are able to decorate your cake in a cool room. Then I added a row of fresh blueberries along the top of the edge of the cake. I left them about a centimeter away from the edge. Finally, I added a grouping of 3 blueberries to the middle of the cake. I love this kind of cake. It tells you immediately from the outside what's on the inside. My family loved it, and so did I. Just don't forget to keep it in the fridge so the whipped cream doesn't melt. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week.